Hello everybody, it is I, Lythaniel, the reviewer here with another review. I'm gonna try me some Brazilian lemonade. So I'm actually gonna do two different versions. I'm gonna do one that just throws the limes, in whole, and then another one where I did see a version where it can be less bitter. So let's give that a shot. So nothing crazy with it. And chop these off. Ooh, this smells good. And I've already got 2 cups of water. Smells great. Let me. Just all right, I'm all done. Let's go ahead and give this a shot. There we go. Oh, there's a little bit of bitterness there. It's definitely got the lime flavor. I like that, but not too sweet. I didn't add too much. It's not bad though. It can definitely be improved on. So, man, I think I would have to give this a 3 out of 5. It's definitely doable, but some of that bitterness could be cut out from all of that pith. So I'm gonna give it another shot. I'm gonna trim 2 more limes. I'm gonna trim them more, so I'm gonna try to cut out as much pith as I can. Try to zest the limes just to get the zest off and cut the peel off. Pith still there, but it's gonna be way less than what's originally there. Then add the cut lime. That's all that's left. I see all the. Right. Give another squeeze. I think about maybe the same. the less bitter, supposedly, Brazilian lemonade. So let's go ahead and give this one a shot. All right, toast everyone. It's a slight difference, but it's noticeable. I guess that's what I'll say. It's actually pretty close to if you just go all limes, but this version is much, much better. You know, you don't make that first face that I did with the first one from it being so tart. Ooh. I really like this one better. It's way better without all the pith. You know, you just got the pure essence of the zest in there. None of the little white part you don't need, or just rather as little as possible. So I'm really digging this one. Sweetness is just right. You can add more, add less if you want. It's totally up to you. Yeah, no, I'm digging that. I'm getting some more. So, yeah. Brazilian lemonade, I'm digging it. You get little bits of lime in there. The Vitamix, you know, A3500 I'm using still. Need to leave a review on that, but no, this is killer. I'm digging this. And only just 2 cups of water, 2 limes, maybe 1/3 of a cup of sweetened condensed milk. That was about it. 1/2 cup to a cup of ice. I would give that a 5 out of 5. That is a delicious drink. I'm gonna have to make that a lot more, even out of season, holidays. I'll make it in a Christmas something. I'm gonna throw some vodka in it one day. Might go really good with tequila or rum, but that's really good. So let me know what you guys think. Have you ever had it before? Would you be willing to try it? Tell me what you think, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.